Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello good people, welcome back to my channel. This vlog I want to make a cooking videos how to make a pancake with honey and dragon fruit. Okay, before you start to watch this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment because like is free. Thank you. This is the ingredient to make a pancake. Yeah, you have to prepare 2 eggs, 1 spoon of sugar, and full cream milk, vanilla powder, 4 spoons of flour, and the last is honey for topping. Oh sorry, I forget to record the baking powder. In section baking powder is the cake developed for the pancake. Yeah. And the first way to make it is break the eggs and separate the yolk and white in a different place. Then shake white eggs with whisk until foamy and stiff. Shake this egg for about 2 minutes. 2 minutes, yeah. If that was foamy and stiff, the next is shake the yolk and add 1 spoon of milk. Then add the vanilla and sugar, and then mix well. If it's done, add the half teaspoon of baking powder and then mix it. Then next add the flour and mix well. After that, take a separate of white egg into egg yolk and then mix it. If it's done, pour egg yolk in white egg and mix it again. You have to pay attention to stirring motion. Stir the dough rhythmically so that the dough remains foamy. Then heat the pan over low heat and wait until hot. When it has been hot, pour the dough on the pan and cover the pan so that the eggs are cooked perfectly. And then cook about 2 minutes and turn the dough and close again. Repeat the way until the dough was empty. The next step is plating. I will give a little bit butter on the pancake and slice of dragon fruit, and the last I pour the honey lime on the pancake. Yeah, so delicious, right? And the pancake with the honey lime and dragon fruit ready to serve.